Now let's install VS Code, which we have used in our lectures to edit our dictionaries. So once this is completed, just click on it and you will be able to install it by accepting the agreement and clicking next and install. Once this is installed, you can just browse the folder on which you want to work. Click on open folder and browse the folder. And once you open the folder, you will be able to edit all the files inside that folder. So this is how you can split it into two vertical window which you can simultaneously edit. Now let me show you that how you can open and download the case files and run them and use our lecture videos. I'm